Hi everyone, so I will be telling you about the economic impact payment that most of us will be receiving the next few weeks. So who will be receiving the economic impact payment? For those who have, or the stimulus check, for those who have filed single for 2018 or 2019 and your income is below 99,000, you will receive a check, not the full amount of 1,200, but if your income is below 75,000, you'll get the whole amount of 1,200. But if your income is above 75,000, it will be reduced by $5 for every $100 above 75,000. So you will still receive something, but it will be reduced. And then if you have filed married or married filing jointly is your status in filing your income tax for 2018 or 2019, you will receive the 1,200 for you and your spouse. So for a total of 2,400 if your income is below 150,000, and you will still receive a stimulus check or economic impact payments if your income is above 150,000 but below 198,000. But what if you are filing as head of household? If your income is 112,000 and below, you'll get the 1,200 whole amount. But if it's 112,000 above 112,500 but below 146,500, you will receive a reduced amount of, again, $5 for every $100 increase of your adjusted gross income. So where are they going to base your income? Based on your 2019 taxes if you have already filed your 2019 taxes. But if you still haven't filed your 2019 taxes, they will base it on your 2018 taxes. What if you have already filed your 2019 taxes? Or how are you going to receive your economic impact payment? You will receive it via direct deposit. How will the IRS know my banking account information? If you have filed your income tax return and you receive a refund via direct deposit, so they have your bank account information. But if the IRS do not have your bank account information, then you will receive it via mail. So when are you going to receive your economic impact payment? For those for those people whom the IRS already have your bank account information, you will start receiving the economic impact payment as early as April 10. But if they don't have your bank account information, they'll start mailing checks first week of May for those people who earn 10,000 and below, and then every week they'll increase it for increments of 10,000. So if your income is 198,000 for married filing jointly, then you can expect your check sometime around September. But what if your income for 2019 is higher than 198,000 for those who are filing married jointly, but your income for 2020 is less than 198,000, then you still qualify, but you won't receive your economic impact payment this year, but you will receive it next year after you have filed your 2020 taxes. What if you have dependents? If your dependent is below 16 years old, for every dependent, you will get $500 for each dependent, as long as they have a valid social security number and you have filed them in your 2018 or 2019 taxes. But what if you have you haven't filed your 2019 taxes and you just gave birth on 2019? I would suggest that you file your taxes now so that they'll have it in their record. What if some of you may be asking, what if I just got married this 2020, January 1, 2020, then you will be filing your taxes on 2020. They'll probably base they will base it on your 2020 taxes. Some of you may be asking, I just got married, or I just arrived here in 2019 around October or November of 2019 and got married because I was here or arrived here on a fiancé visa and we got married. I got my social security as soon as I got married or before my I-95 expires. So I have my valid social security number. Then you still can file your taxes. You and your spouse can file your taxes as married filing jointly as long as you got married before December 31, 2019 and you have a valid social security number, then you can still qualify for 1,200 stimulus check. So for you and your spouse, that's 2,400 check that you will be receiving as economic impact payment. So if you still haven't filed your taxes for 2019, you have until July 15 to file taxes. Normally it's only up to April 15, but because of this pandemic, IRS extended the filing tax season, which is up to July 15. If you have any further questions, or if you're confused if you qualify or how are you going to qualify, or if you are going to pay the stimulus check or the economic impact payment, it is considered as a tax credit for your 2020 income tax, and it's a refundable credit. So that is what the IRS said. So if you have any further questions, please feel free to ask me. I'll be happy to answer your question. And that's it for now. Thank you. I hope you like my video.